dear educators, with your constant support, Popcorn has become most popular and affordable solution for preschool. Now, अब preschool के जितनी भी requirements हैं, चाहे वो kit है, term book है, course book हो, writing series, reader series, art and craft, rhymes and stories, drawing book, यानी कि जो भी requirement और जो भी books आप मांगते हो, वो सारी available हैं हमारे पास. Now let me start with the kit explaining first. तो kit में भी हमारे पास दो options हैं, pop-up and wonder kit. Both comes with an age-appropriate content for all levels. So let me start with the pop-up kit first. Pop-up kit comes for the 4 levels: playgroup, pop-up 1, 2 and 3. Pop-up 1 stands for 3+ years, 2 stands for 4+ years and 3 stands for 5+ years. So let's quickly see what is in the kit. So we have term books which cover 4 subjects: English, Math, Basic Skill and World Around Us, which comes with an e-learning videos and which are very easy to access.
Initial blends. Hey kids, let's learn blends. Blends? Blending means mixing. And here we are going to blend some sounds together. Before we blend sound, let's understand blending.
Along with this, we have reader series, writing series, rhymes and stories, coloring voyage, art and craft, drawing and coloring book. Means that is a wholesome pack. When we serve any kit, we need to give guidance how to implement that kit in the classroom. So we have served in the form of page-wise videos. That means each and every page has recorded so that it will be helpful for teachers to apply the concept and content in the classroom for easy teaching and learning method. So we have served in the form of digital teachers training. So that was all about pop-up kit. Now let's understand about a wonder kit. But before moving further, let me tell you the basic differences and the additional resources you will get with wonder kit. We have seen in pop-up kit we have a term book, while in wonder kit we have a course book for 4 subjects: English, Math, Basic Skill and World Around Us, which comes with an e-learning videos. We have added home learning pages activity which is available with the page-wise videos. Apart from this, we have a GK book to make this kit more useful to enhance vocabulary of kids. And rest of the books like rhymes and stories, art and craft, reader series, writing series remains same. And understanding the importance of circle time, soon we are going to launch our dedicated resources which will be helpful for teachers to conduct the circle time activity. With our 2 kits, we justify all the needs of our client. So if you want to choose term books with affordable price and with all the titles, pop-up kit is best for you. But if you want to choose course book and some circle time activities and resources, so wonder kit is best for you. Along with the kit, everyone needs assessment. So we have monthly worksheets, assessment, mid-term and final term assignment and practice papers. So whatever the kit you will choose, whether it is pop-up or wonder series, these assessment and assignments are in sync with both the kits. So if you have tailor-made needs, Popcorn is giving you the option where you can select any book or any title to design your own kit. Now, before moving further, I would like to take you 1 minute where I am going to tell you the unique points of our books. If I talk about coloring voyage book, it comes with an AR app. For example, अगर आपने बच्चे को फ्लावर पॉट ड्रॉ करने के लिए दिया है, that drawing comes alive in the classroom with the AR app, जिसके लिए आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. In drawing and coloring book, it is specifically designed for step-by-step introduction to drawing to the kids. If I talk about rhymes and stories book, again it comes with an e-learning videos जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल हैं, जिसको आप टीवी स्क्रीन पे भी प्ले कर सकते हैं. और ये यूएसपी मार्केट में और कोई बुक में अवेलेबल नहीं है. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. In art and craft book, you are getting required material. In preschool, we celebrate all the festivals. So along with this one book, you are getting celebration required material. And if I talk about GK book, as I already told you, it is very helpful to enhance the vocabulary of the kids. Our reader series is very unique as it enhances children's reading ability with some decoding tips. And जब तक बच्चा grade 1 तक पहुंचता है, with these decoding tips, they become an independent reader. When I talk about my writing series, it comes with an A4 size with colorful visuals and pictures. और जहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट है, हमने फॉर्मेशन वीडियोस भी दिए हैं जिससे राइटिंग एक एंजॉयबल एक्सपीरियंस बन जाता है। तो ये थी हमारी सारी बुक्स की यूएसपी। With that, Popcorn is all ready with the all cutting edge solution, and this year we have launched our Digital Toddlers Club where we are going to provide different programs for kids. You can be also part of it and you can avail the subscription of Digital Toddlers Club. In short, Popcorn is NEP ready with complete, updated and perfect solution for preschool. So, we are ready and waiting for you to onboard with us. Let's shape the future together with Popcorn.